Have you ever wondered if a simple nightly ritual could completely transform your life? What if the secret to unlocking your deepest desires lies in what you do just moments before falling asleep? Neville Goddard, one of the greatest teachers of manifestation, believed that your imagination holds the key to shaping your reality. His powerful techniques have helped thousands manifest their dreams, and today we're diving into one of his most intriguing practices, the state akin to sleep. In this video, you'll discover a step-by-step guide to using this practice to tap into the limitless power of your subconscious mind. We'll unravel how this pre-sleep technique works, why it's so effective, and how you can start using it tonight to manifest your goals faster than ever before. But here's the twist: this isn't just about visualizing. Neville's method goes deeper, unlocking the very mechanics of reality creation. Stick around, and you'll learn how to align your emotions, beliefs, and subconscious mind to create the life you've always dreamed of. Welcome to Limitless Mindset, where we explore the tools and techniques to elevate your life. If you're ready to take charge of your destiny, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's dive in. Before we talk about how to use this powerful technique, let's first understand what SATS really is. SATS stands for state akin to sleep, and it's exactly what it sounds like: a deeply relaxed, almost meditative state that occurs just before you drift off to sleep. This is a unique and powerful moment when your mind begins to let go of the waking world and transitions into the subconscious realm. In this state, your body feels heavy, your thoughts slow down, and the barriers of your conscious mind start to dissolve. What makes this so special? It's during this time that your subconscious mind is most open to suggestion. Unlike your conscious mind, which often resists new ideas or doubts your desires, the subconscious is like fertile soil, ready to absorb whatever you plant in it. Neville Goddard discovered that this drowsy, peaceful state is the perfect gateway for manifesting. When you're in SATS, you can bypass the noise of the day and go straight to the source, the part of your mind that controls your beliefs, habits, and ultimately your reality. This is where the magic happens. It's the ideal moment to visualize your desires, feel the emotions of already having them, and impress these ideas onto your subconscious mind. Imagine it as a portal between your current reality and the life you dream of. It's not about forcing anything, but about gently aligning yourself with the life you want. When done correctly, this practice allows you to rewrite the script of your subconscious, which in turn shapes the external world to match your inner state. But how do you actually get into SATS? And what should you focus on once you're there? We'll break that down step by step next, so keep watching. Before we talk about the step-by-step process, let's explore why the time before sleep is so crucial for this practice. Have you ever noticed how your thoughts right before you drift off seem to linger? That's no coincidence. In the moments before sleep, your mind naturally relaxes, lowering its defenses and making it easier to access the deeper layers of your consciousness. This is when your brain shifts into what scientists call the alpha and theta brainwave states. These are the gateway frequencies to your subconscious mind, where your beliefs and emotions are stored. In these states, the chatter of the conscious mind quiets down, leaving you in a highly receptive mental space. Think of it this way: during the day, your conscious mind is like a gatekeeper, constantly filtering and questioning new ideas. But before sleep, that gatekeeper steps aside. Your mind becomes like an open book, ready to absorb whatever you feed it. This is why Neville Goddard emphasized the importance of using this window of time to visualize and feel your desires as if they're already real. In this state, there's no resistance, no doubts, no second guessing. Your subconscious mind simply accepts what you give it, whether it's positive or negative. That's why it's so important to be intentional about your thoughts during this time. What you think and feel before sleep has the power to shape your reality in ways you might not even realize. But how exactly do you use this state to manifest your desires? What's the best way to channel this mental stillness into something transformative? Let's dive deeper into that next. Before we talk about how to truly master SATs, let's break it down into a simple step-by-step process that anyone can follow. The first step is preparation. To begin, lie down in a position that feels comfortable for you, whether it's on your back or your side, it doesn't matter. What's important is that you allow yourself to fully relax. Take slow, deep breaths, letting go of any tension or stress from your day. The goal here is to reach a calm, drowsy state where your body feels heavy, but your mind remains gently aware. Once you've reached this relaxed state, it's time to focus on your goal. This is where visualization comes in. Close your eyes and create a vivid, detailed mental image of a specific scene that represents your desire as already fulfilled. For example, if your goal is financial success, imagine yourself holding a check with your desired amount or celebrating with loved ones. The scene doesn't need to be long, just a few seconds. What matters is the emotion it evokes. Feel the joy, the gratitude, or the relief that comes with having what you want. As you immerse yourself in this mental scene, replay it over and over in your mind. Let it loop like a short movie. Each time you repeat it, focus on feeling those emotions more deeply. The aim is to make it so real in your mind that it feels like it's already happening. As this becomes natural, allow yourself to drift off to sleep while holding this scene in your thoughts. This process might seem simple, but its power lies in consistency. Repeating it every night strengthens the connection between your subconscious mind and your desire. But what makes this technique so effective? Let's explore that next. Before we talk about the broader impact of this practice, let's focus on the incredible benefits you can experience by using Neville Goddard's SATs technique. One of the first and most noticeable changes is the confidence it builds in your ability to shape your reality. When you see even the smallest manifestations coming to life, it becomes undeniable you are in control of your destiny. This realization is empowering and creates a positive feedback loop, making you more determined to continue the practice. Another transformative benefit is how this method helps replace limiting beliefs. Many of us carry subconscious thoughts like "I'm not good enough" or "I don't deserve success." These beliefs often act as invisible barriers, keeping us from achieving our goals. Through the power of SATs, you can rewrite these internal scripts. Instead of feeling trapped by doubts, you start planting new, empowering beliefs that align with the life you want to create. What's even more remarkable is how this practice accelerates the process of manifestation. By aligning your emotions, thoughts, and subconscious mind with your desires, you eliminate resistance and focus your energy like a laser. This focused alignment not only helps you manifest faster, but also with less effort. The results often feel natural, as if life is simply flowing in your favor. But what makes these benefits so lasting? What's the secret to ensuring that this practice becomes a part of your daily life? Let's delve into that next. As we've explored, this simple nightly practice has the power to profoundly transform your life. By dedicating just a few minutes each evening to connecting with your subconscious mind, you're taking a step toward the life you've always dreamed of. The best part, it's easy to start. You don't need any special tools or techniques, just your imagination and a willingness to believe in what's possible. So why wait? Start tonight. Practice it every night and watch as the changes begin to unfold. Remember, your dreams are closer than you think. All it takes is closing your eyes and stepping into them. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe to Limitless Mindset and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video.